Hello again, toy car collectors. Got a couple old 60s Thunderbirds I want to look at here. Starting with this 63 Thunderbird. Yeah, that's a wicked looking car. Bought this loose a number of years ago. Did not really knowing what it was. I actually thought maybe it was a Johnny Lightning. But it's not. Look at the base real quick here. It shows up. Something called High Speed. So, don't know anything about that company. Has rubber tires. Yeah, it's just an evil looking car. And I can't think of another 63 Thunderbird except for the Hot Wheels convertible one, which I got quite a few of, which is a really good casting too. But the actual hardtop, not sure if anybody else has made this car before. So pretty cool. Nice. It got a few little tiny rubs on there, but that's quite okay. Yeah, nice car. Nice looking car. All right, I like that. And then I got a second one here, which actually is a Johnny Lightning. And that's a 68 T-Bird. Very cool. Opening hood, but I'm not going to open it. Sometimes just better to leave those things shut in the long run. Very cool. Love the silver and black. A little slight paint flaw right there, but yeah, that's the way it goes with collecting cars. They're not always going to be 100% perfect. And I guess like with people, you gotta accept their little flaws. So yeah, those are some awesome T-Birds. See if I can get them together here a little bit. Great cars. Thanks for watching, everybody.